Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. 10 amazing tips how to organize your home for good. Now that you've gotten your home to a simple state, where you can relax and enjoy your home, you want to keep it that way. The second part of this blog post is going to provide you with what you need to do to keep your simple home with zero worries of reversing all the hard work you've done. Number 1. Don't rush decorating your home. Home decor is one of the easiest ways to clutter a home without realizing it. When you take your time decorating your home, you'll be more mindful of what you put back out on display. Number 2. Do a 30-minute decluttering spree daily. If you haven't heard about my 30-minute decluttering spree exercise, check it out so that you know how easy and effective this work is. Number 3. Remove furniture you don't need. Just because you have furniture doesn't mean it is useful. Declutter the furniture you aren't utilizing and free up that space in your home. Number 4. Keep horizontal surfaces clutter-free. The quickest way to make a home look cluttered is having a lot of things on countertops and tables. Number 5. Always go to bed with a clean kitchen. Going to bed with a clean kitchen not only allows you to sleep better at night, but it also delights you the next morning. Make sure you do this no matter how you feel or how tired you are. Number 6. Meal plan and shop your pantry first. Kitchen pantries, refrigerators, and freezers need to be shopped before you go to the store to bring home more food. This helps keep things simple, reduces your food costs, and helps you not waste any food. Number 7. Make your bed every morning. Start off your day with a win and clean space. It not only starts your day in a great way, but it is a constant reminder of how nice it is to have a made bed. This win spills over into other parts of your life, including keeping other areas clean and tidy, increasing productivity, and overall boosts your mood. Number 8. Keep a donation box by the door that goes out to your vehicle. This ensures that all donations are in one place and easy to get out the door when your box is full. Having things to donate all over your home can clutter your home and allow you to forget to take something to the donation station. A box by the door is simple, clutter-free, and you'll never forget anything you need to take to the donation station. Number 9. Clean as you go. Waiting for water to boil? Why not switch out the dishes or fold a load of laundry? By doing something when you're waiting on something else to finish, you're being more effective with your time, which keeps your home simple, clean and tidy. For example, if I have a hairband on my nightstand and I'm headed to the bathroom, I grab the hairband and put it back in its home. It's a small habit to start and very effective for keeping your home simple. Number 10. Adopt the minimalist lifestyle. Living simple is great, but when you adopt the minimalist lifestyle, things become even simpler. Simplifying your home is a game changer when it comes to relaxing and enjoying your home. Just remember that once you simplify your home, you still need to take action to keep it that way. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Watch our other cleaning videos and find out how to simplify your home in 4 simple steps. Feel free to share our videos to other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. FastKlean works in partnership with EcoBravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.